Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a review of the new McDonald's Spicy Habanero McChicken. So there's 3 different levels of the spice. This one's the least spicy. I just had the Szechwan one, and I think they're going to be coming out with a Ghost Pepper one, which is supposed to be the spiciest, and I'm really excited to try that one out because I love spicy things, and I found these burgers aren't too spicy. I want a nice challenge. So this is the McChicken with habanero sauce. I also did the Szechwan one, and I like the Szechwan one. It was good. It wasn't too spicy. It was good though. But here is a spicy habanero. So let's get into it. So I can feel the sauce. It's flavorful, but I don't think it's that spicy. I'm not feeling any burning on the insides yet. It tasted good though, but we'll see if this is spicy or not. Get a drink ready there. The McChicken does taste really good with spicier sauce on it. I don't know why they just made it a spicy McChicken in the first place. Mayo is outdated. Let's go with the spicy. Put a good amount of sauce on it too. But I'm just not finding it spicy. It's weird. Maybe if I would drink some and try it again, it'll be a little more spicy. Because I'm not getting much spice. It just tastes a little bit more bold. So yeah, that one had a lot of sauce on it. I don't think it's that spicy. I do feel a little bit of a burning kick now, but it's not that much. Like, it was very weak. Not that it's a bad thing. It does taste good, and this is only one of 3, and it's the least spicy. I do recall the Szechwan one maybe being a little bit spicier than this, but I really hope that the Ghost Pepper one is like, as the name implies, scary ghost pepper, like burn you when you eat it. I'm really hoping for that, because this one is just, I feel like if it was like a little bit spicier, it would have been like amazing, but just doesn't have enough. The habaneros just aren't spicy enough, but still very good. So I would give this, the Spicy Habanero McChicken, a 7.5 out of 10. It's a pretty good McDonald's meal. I like it. I like things that are slightly spicy or very spicy. I just wish it was a little bit more spicy. Nonetheless, still pretty good, and I'm excited to try out the Ghost Pepper one whenever that comes around. So keep your eyes peeled for that video once it does come out, because I hope it's a lot spicier than some of the other stuff that I had. Buffalo sauces are usually pretty spicy, but Ghost Pepper, that's a whole other level. So let's hope it's good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.